Hi everyone, Help Chef here. Help Chef is my YouTube channel name. So today I'm going to show you the most popular dish in the world, dumpling. Now I'm going to show you the dumpling filling and how to cook pan-fried dumpling. So let's get started. So here is my ingredients. So first I try to let you know I got a 500 gram pork mince. So these will only get 10% fat. Usually traditional dumpling they're very fat, so 40% fat and then 60% lean meat. But I prefer use 10%. And so also I got some soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Just dark soy sauce, basically just for coloring. And then these are coriander, crushed coriander and salt, cup mushroom and spring onion, tofu, olive oil. And then this one is shiitake mushroom, dry one. So better if you want to add inside your dumpling filling, prepare overnight. Put it in the cold water overnight. So very important. So I got some celery. So you cut a very small tiny piece. So mix inside dumpling. So when you taste, we're gonna be taste a little chunky part, but very nice inside. So those is all dumpling ingredients. So I will show you properly way how to mix properly dumpling fillings. So you take a lot. So now add spring onion and the coriander, and salt. Some tofu, oil. So now mix. So important is the dumpling filling not to wet. So stick it together. So the one dumpling filling mix so you can see it stick together, so no weight. So now I'm going to prepare the chia seed oil for dumpling wrappers. So I got a flour, salt, olive oil, and chia seeds, and water. So let's prepare. And the salt, chia seed, mix it with us. Oil. Water. So that's a dumpling wrapper. So you can start press and you can keep it rolling. So not too much. So this one I just start from the angle here, close a little bit first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So dumpling. Make sure the meat in the middle, dumpling wrap, so close in the middle. And then you can fold this way with your finger. 1, 2. You're even simple. 1, 2, and close. The simple one. So use medium fire to cook. And oil. can add a little bit warm water. And close with the lid. So inside fully cooked until the water evaporates. So main already cooked inside. So no more water. So dumpling cooked beautifully. So you can pour one little bit. You can cook all sides, but some people just cook one side. So I cook all sides. Very crispy. So dumpling cooked. Dumpling with the water, add a little bit olive oil, little bit soy sauce, little bit salt, and pepper, little bit water. So I tried the dumpling with the chili garlic sauce. Very yummy, delicious.